Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Dropship.io and Autods. Dropship.io is primarily a product research tool. It is built to help users find winning products that are currently trending in the dropshipping market. The interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly, especially for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any experience with e-commerce to start using Dropship.io. As soon as you log in, you're presented with a clean dashboard where you can search for products based on different filters. These filters include keywords, price range, store count, and order numbers. This means you can find products that not only match your niche but are also getting real traction in the market. One of the main features that people love in Dropship.io is a product database. This tool scans thousands of Shopify stores daily and collects data on the products they are selling. This gives you access to constantly updated lists of trending items. You can see how many stores are currently selling a product, how many orders it has received, and what the average selling price is. This helps you judge if a product is worth adding to your store. Another impressive tool is the Store Analyzer. This feature allows you to search any Shopify store and find out what products they are selling, which products are performing the best, and how the store is performing overall. This kind of competitor analysis is crucial for staying ahead in the game. In addition to product research, Dropship.io also offers a product tracker. This tool allows you to monitor specific products over time. You can track changes in product pricing, order volume, and the number of stores selling that item. This gives you valuable insight into product trends, so you don't jump into selling something that's already on its way out. It also helps you stay informed if a product you're interested in is gaining popularity or not. In 2025, Dropship.io has improved its tracking feature by including graphical data views, allowing users to see product performance in chart over the last few days, weeks, or even months. Another helpful feature is the AliExpress integration. When you find a product you like, you can quickly locate it on AliExpress using this integration. This saves your time since you don't need to search for the product manually. Dropship.io connects the trending product data with actual supplier listings, making it easier to evaluate your sourcing options. In 2025, this integration has become faster and more accurate, with more reliable supplier links and better price matching. This allows users to avoid unreliable vendors and work with trusted sources. Dropship.io has also added AI product suggestions in 2025. This means the system can now recommend product based on your previous search history and what's currently trending in the market. These AI-powered suggestions can introduce you to new niche or popular items that you might not have discovered on your own. The interface remains one of the cleanest and easiest to use, and the platform is constantly updating to include better data and smarter tools. Despite all these strengths, it's important to note that Dropship.io is mainly built for research. It does not offer tools for store management, order fulfillment, or automation. So if your primary goal is to find hot products and learn from successful Shopify stores, it's an excellent tool. But if you are looking for a complete dropshipping solution that handles everything from importing products to shipping orders, then you might need something more advanced. That's where Autods comes in. Unlike Dropship.io, Autods is an all-in-one dropshipping platform. It does much more than just help you find products. It also helps you import them into your store, manage your inventory, automate your orders, track shipments, and even optimize your product listing. In 2025, Autods has expanded its capability even more, making it one of the most popular tools for dropshipping businesses of all sizes. One of the best things about Autods is one-click product importer. You can easily browse products from major suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Temu, and others, and import them directly into your store. The importer automatically copies the images, product title, description, and pricing. It also allows you to customize the details before publishing the product. This saves a lot of time because you don't have to do everything manually. With just a few clicks, your store can be filled with high-quality listings. Autods also includes a product research tool called the Autods Finder. This tool recommends trending and best-selling products from trusted suppliers. You can apply filters like shipping time, profit margin, supplier location, and product category. In 2025, this Finder tool will have become smarter with AI, giving you more accurate suggestions based on market demand and what's working in similar stores. What makes AutoDS stand out is its automation features. Once you set things up, the platform can handle almost everything for you. It can automatically fulfill customer orders, send tracking numbers to your customers, update inventory levels, and adjust product prices when the supplier changes them. This is a game changer, especially for those managing multiple orders per day. You don't have to worry about manually keeping track of every single order or checking if a product is still in stock. AutoSale also has built-in AI tools for optimizing your listings. It can rewrite titles, generate product descriptions, and even suggest ideal pricing. These AI tools make your store look more professional without the need of a copywriter or a lot of editing time. There's also a built-in profit calculator that shows you how much you'll make on each product after fees and shipping costs. Another major plus is the virtual assistant management system. If you have a team helping you, like virtual assistants or freelancers, you can give them access to specific parts of your AutoDS account. You can control what they can see and do, making it safer and more efficient to scale your business. This feature is especially useful for large stores or people running dropshipping as a serious business. AutoDS supports multiple platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay. This gives you the freedom to turn your dropshipping business on more than one storefront. The dashboard, while more detailed than dropship.io, might feel a bit overwhelming to beginners. There are many features, buttons, and tabs to explore, and it might take some time to understand how everything works. But once you get used to it, it becomes a powerful system that can save your hours of work every day. AutoDS also offers automatic order fulfillment with tracking number updates. This feature is especially helpful for people who don't want to manage every single order manually. When someone buys from your store, AutoDS places the order on the supplier's website, pays for it, and enters the customer's address. Once the product is shipped, AutoDS fetches the tracking number and updates it in your store. This keeps your customer informed and happy while freeing up your time to focus on marketing and growth. In 2025, AutoDS has also improved its dashboard by adding real-time analytics. Now, users can see sales performance, best-selling items, profit margins, and customers' activity all in one place. This kind of data is important for making business decisions. You can quickly see which products are doing well and which ones might need to be replaced. So now the big question is, which one is better in 2025? The answer really depends on your needs. If you're just starting out or your main focus is to discover winning products and understand what's trending in the market, then dropship.io is a fantastic choice. It's a simple, fast, and packaged with insights. You can learn from top stores, track product trends, and use AI suggestions to discover profitable products. It's especially great for people who are still testing products ideas or who want to focus on one platform like Shopify. But if you're looking for a complete solution that handles everything from product research to importing, automation, and order management, then AutoDS is the better option. It gives you everything you need to run your business smoothly and professionally. It's ideal for people who already have a store or want to scale fast without spending hours on manual tasks. The learning curve might be steeper, but the time you save in the long run makes it worth it. In short, dropship.io is best for research and product discovery, while AutoDS is best for automation and full business management. Some dropshippers even use both tools together, dropship.io for finding products and AutoDS for importing and fulfilling them. Which one you choose? Make sure it fits your current stage in business and the type of support you need. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.